everyone. Today we are going to study about life in deserts. Our word desert conjures up in our mind miles and miles of hot sand, cactus and date palms. This may be true for a hot desert, but there are cool deserts too, where the ground is covered with snow and climate is severely cold. A desert may be defined as a region which generally receives less than 25 centimeters of rainfall in a year. There are two types of deserts, cold desert and hot desert. First, we are going to study about the hot desert. A hot desert is a place with very high temperature where vegetation is sparse. The Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is the largest desert in the world with an area of about 8.54 million square kilometers. It covers almost the whole of northern Africa. It spreads out over 5,500 kilometers from east to west and 1,900 kilometers from north to south. The land Sahara is not entirely a sandy desert. Only about one-fourth of it is covered with vast stretches of sand. There are extensive areas of pebbles and gravel known as reg. Here the climate is generally hot and dry. The highest temperature of the world, 58 degrees Celsius, has been recorded here at El Azizia in Libya. The extreme climatic conditions and scarcity of water do not favor luxuriant plants growth in the Sahara. So the thorny bushes and shrubs are very common, cactus, acacia trees, date palms, etc. And the animals found here are scorpions, snakes, camels, etc. Here, 2.5 million inhabitants are there. That's one person per square mile. Majority of people here are nomads. The Tuaregs and Bedouins are important nomadic tribes who move from place to place along with their animals in search of water and pasture. The people here eat date palm and drink camel milk, porridge with butter sauce, etc. Here are oases found which help in the supporting of the human life because they provide water to the communities. Cold desert, that is the Ladakh desert in India. Ladakh is located in the eastern part of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It lies to the north of the Greater Himalayas. It is bound by the Karakoram range in the north and the Zanskar mountains in the south. It is a cold and dry region. Here the temperature ranges between 0 to 30 degrees, minus 30 degrees in summers, while the winters it is ranging from 0 to minus 40 degrees. Here it keeps on snowfall, heavy snowfall goes on throughout the winter season. People living here are maximum Muslims and Buddhists. The language spoken here is Lakaki language. Women are thought to be very hardworking in these areas. They not only look after the animals, the farms, they even run the small shops within their homes. The animals found here are yak, deer, double-humped camels, snow leopards, black-necked cranes, etc. There are different lakes which are found here and attract tourists. There are Pangong Lake, Somoriri Lake, Sokar Lake, etc. These are the major attracting points for the tourists. Life of the people here is quite difficult because of the harsh climate. The government of India has undertaken a number of measures to improve the living condition of the people in Ladakh transport and communication system has been developed, irrigation facilities are being provided, etc. So that's all for today.